Bonjour les enfants, comment ça va? Our topic today is about TV programs. So I want you to look at the next slide. You will see the most important vocabulary word that we are going to use during this lesson. In the following slides, we will see how can we say these words in French.
Les émissions de musique. Les émissions de sport. Les émissions de télé-réalité. Les informations. Les jeux télévisés. Les feuilletons. Les documentaires. Les dessins animés. La publicité. La météo. Les comédies. Les films romantiques. Les films de science-fiction. Les films d'horreur. Les films policiers. Les films historiques. Les films d'action. Les films de guerre. Les westerns.
Now that you know the different types of TV shows or programs in French, we will see now how can we express our opinion about them. So, to express our opinion in French about anything, we have to say one of these words. J'aime, j'adore, je préfère, je n'aime pas, je déteste. And of course it has to be followed by the TV shows that you speak about. In this slide and in the next slides as well, we are going to express our opinion about different TV shows or programs. This one is the first one. So you will say, j'aime les émissions de musique. J'aime les émissions de musique. It means I like music shows. Can you look at the pictures and say the opinion in French about these TV programs? This is the end of our lesson today. So there is no crowns or activity to submit this week. All your job is going to be to review this video several times during the week and to be ready for next week. Next week I'm going to send you the crowns that you have to do and submit.